Lightning and thunder happen at the same time. So why do I see lightning first? Let's investigate. Light leaves the source almost instantly, racing through space at nearly 300 million meters per second. Sound, on the other hand, travels as pressure ripples in air, particles passing energy onto each other, traveling at a mere 300 meters per second. Let's sum it up. Lightning is a sudden electrical discharge. Thunder is the sound produced by that lightning. They happen at the same time, but light travels fast and sound takes time to reach you.